Information and Communications Technology, or ICT, has revolutionized our way of life. However, it also created cyber attacks that could wipe out businesses in one click.
The National Security Agency developed this software, and it's now being used by criminals around the world to demand ransom.
It enabled children and youth to have ready access to information like never before. It also became a space for cybercriminals to prey on them. How do we combat these threats against businesses and institutions? How do we protect our children against cyber predators? Join us as we discuss combating cyber attacks and cyber threats using ICT in Cyber Chat Episode 12. Hashtag Net for Good.
The World Children's Day was celebrated in Rome for cyberspace.
At sasamahan ko naman kayo sa tungkol sa mga usaping pang-iban.
Marami din nag-participate ng mga bata, no?
And 300 adults. Malaya at nakakabatang araw po sa inyong lahat.
As a parent, talagang importante ang cyber safety because of the misinformation, fake news.
Hey! Isang magandang araw mga ka-chatters. Ako po ang inyong kaklik na si Kuya Brian na lagi nagsasabi na always think before you click.
Hello mga ka-chatters! At ito naman po ang inyong aspiring community counselor, Kuya Pao. Kamusta naman, Kuya Brian? Last time we were together, episode 6 and episode 7 ba?
Yes, Kuya Paolo, and that was Hashtag Disinformation and Democracy.
Mukhang may hangover pa tayo sa topic.
Yes, oo nga. Ang dami nating mga magagandang mga pinag-usapan noong nakaraan. At syempre, ang dami rin nating insight na nalaman sa ating guest noong nakaraang episode.
That's true. Kasi ang focus natin sa episode na yun was more about yung threats, no,
Yes.
ng internet and yung mga tools na ginagamit sa internet to target and manipulate yung political landscape natin. So ngayon, mukhang mas positive naman ata ang magiging topic
Yes.
natin, no?
Kasi nung last time, yung topic natin more on negative side, to how can we prevent, di ba? Pero this time, hindi lamang yung topic natin ngayon ay may kinalaman sa about prevention. It's all about information communication technology na kung saan related sa misinformation, disinformation, and malformation.
That's true. Pero hindi lang hindi lang child protection ang topic natin
Yes.
ngayon. Mas malawak siya kasi we're going to talk about technology as a tool for the good, no?
Ayan,
So,
oo. And let us also expand the topic to cover the protection of not so young and the young at heart. Siyempre, kasama dyan yung businesses and government agencies.
Ayan, kaya we have two guests na talagang super proud ako, no, na kilala ko tong mga to.
Yes, also. At balita ko nga, mga katropa natin sila. Kasi nakasama ko din yung isa sa guest before sa mga nakaraang mga program ng Cyber Guardians.
That's true. And nako, hindi lang katropa. Yung first guest natin, kababata ko yan. And talagang proud ako sa friend na to dahil super achiever, no? He's currently an assistant professor at the Department of Business Administration of the University of the Philippines, Cesar Virata School of Business. But aside from teaching, he also worked as a co-inventor of the Gaia Dam, which has a registered patent at the Intellectual Property Office of the Philippines. He finished his MBA at the Asian Institute of Management.
Ayan, let us welcome Engineer Ray Joseph Daway, who, by the way, is also an ASEAN Cybersecurity Skilling Program or ACSP Master Trainer. I understand that our second guest is a street workout and parkour buddy mo, Kuya Pao, since 2012. Ayan, ikwento mo naman sa amin mamaya kung ano yung mga background nitong buddy mo. Yan.
So, nagkakilala actually kami during a parkour workshop noong 2012, no? And we usually hang out sa Quezon City Memorial Circle. So, noong mga time na yun, patalon-talon kami doon and whoever wants to join us, no? be it kids or adults, are welcome to join. And tinuturuan namin sila ng parkour or sometimes calisthenics din na mga moves, no? He's currently the head of operations of HexCore Labs, a cybersecurity education company that empowers learners of all ages. He also has over 6 years of experience as a general manager in the fitness industry in Singapore, and also coached in customer service and fitness for 10 plus years. He combines operational expertise with a passion for education and coaching. My good friend, Michael De Leon.
Welcome to Cyber Chat! Yan, magandang araw mga kapatid. Yan, kamusta? Oo nga eh. Hello, sir.
And all right.
Okay.
Good afternoon, Brian, engineer, no? So it's nice again to see my classmate in the, ACSP project of Microsoft and ASEAN Foundation in partnership with CGPH.
Hello kay Bri.
Hello.
Nice to see you. Hello again. It's been a while, Pao. Hindi na kita tatawagin kuya. And hello din sa ating mga ka-chatters.
Ayan, kung meron pala tayong dalawa na backstory with Kuya Pao, baka pwede nyo namang i-share sa amin.
Yes, Brian, no? So, I grew up in the same street as Paula, and we grew up, no, playing a lot of games together. So we used to, pag walang pasok, no, we used to play trading card games. So naikot namin yan, no? Magic cards and Pokemon, and we even paramihan kami ng cards before, no? Tapos
Nagdadayaan pa nga tayo eh.
So dalawa
mga Pokemon cards noon.
Pokemon, yung mga ganun.
And then may phase din kami na naglaro din kami ng a bit of basketball, tapos mga PlayStation games, ayan. So pinagdaanan namin, no. Wala pang Minecraft no.
That's right. Mostly talaga yung childhood namin sa dun sa subdivision. Talagang basketball, computer games, yung mga card games natin. At one point nga nag-break in ako sa parkour, trinay ko rin akyatin bahay niyo. So from our side of the wall na.
Bakit kaya mo siya payakin?
And speaking of parkour,
Yes, parkour, exactly kung saan tayo nag-meet. So 2012, nag-meet tayo. That was the time naghahanap na ako ng extreme activity pa rin, pero sabi ko, ayoko na magastos. Kasi usually, bibili ako ng raketa, pag badminton or whatnot. So, doon ko na-meet si Pao. Eventually, nag-click kami kasi yung strength niya is my weakness at that time and vice versa. So, nagtatanungan na kami ng, uy, what do you do para palakasin yung upper body mo? Tapos siya din parang, what do you do para ang lakas ng legs mo? Ba't ang lakas ng talon mo? Ganun. So, yun. Sobrang, we spend our usual weekends maghapon as in Quezon City Circle. Kahit walang masyadong kain, buko juice lang yung pagkain namin.
May saging kasama.
And at the same time, may mamimit din kami randomly mga bata. Manunod lang sa amin, gustong gayahin yung ginagawa namin. And eventually, syempre gusto mong safe din sila. So kasi may danger pa rin naman si parkour. So dahil gusto mo na safe sila, tuturuan na lang namin sila para siguradong tama yung gagawin nila.
Alam nyo, pinapakita sa backstories ninyo yung importance ng relationship and connecting with people. And I actually believe that online-related threats against children like cyberbullying, excessive use of social media, and gaming addiction stem from the lack or absence of relationship at home and the family. Pero bukod sa strong family foundation and values that can protect children from cyber threats, ang technology where the cyber criminals operate can also be the very same platform to fight all these cyber threats. At aalamin natin yan kay Sir Michael how that can be done.
Oops! Break muna tayo at mukhang mahaba-habang kwentuhan pa ito.
Ka-chatters, relax lang po at kami po ay magbabalik dito lang sa Cyber Chat Season 3!